Hello viewers, join us on our journey to Cherrapunji with the Royal Travel Link. In Cherrapunji, you find natural waterfalls as you can see. It is beautiful, it is natural, it is scenic. It is truly amazing. Here's another view of different waterfalls that you can see. Again, witness the beauty of Cherrapunji. In Cherrapunji, you also find natural eco parks as you can see. You can enjoy this eco park with your family and friends and your children. If you look at the top of the video, from Cherrapunji you can also see Bangladesh. Thank you. Travel with Royal Travel Link.